Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Summers Woodworking is throwing on a birdhouse contest, and I thought I would do a little birdhouse myself, but mine's got a little bit of twist to it. Let me show you. So here's mine. This is actually for Carolina wrens, so this is about an inch and an eighth, and the rest of it kind of looks a little bit of a barn feel to it. But the twist is the back is transparent, and there's a reason for that. So if you want to see how I did it, stick around. Well, there you have it, guys. Hopefully that puts a little twist to the typical birdhouse. The other thing that was kind of fun about this is I really didn't have any plans. It was just kind of like, you know, spur of the moment, kind of work with what I got. I was able to use up some scrap wood, which is always a good thing. So now it's just a matter of waiting for some birds to show up. And yeah, I'll definitely put pictures up on Instagram when that time comes. And then also, thanks for Summers Woodworking for putting this on. I'll leave a link down below to his channel, as well as any other videos that are part of this contest. I'll leave a playlist down below. So, but until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.